My check, my check, my check. You're welcome to Quebec 9. My name is Ola Harry. And today we are talking about how to take profits. So guys, you're welcome once again. I'm so happy to be back here on YouTube. So it's very important for us to know that when you're trading, okay, you must plan your trade. And in these notes, you guys need to follow me to the end of this call. Okay, welcome once again. We are on YouTube Quebec 9, and you guys know we are always available every day. Okay, so Tuesdays and Thursdays we are always on YouTube. Now Monday to Saturday we are always on Telegram. Okay, so that's how we roll. And this particular YouTube segment is sponsored by bybit. Okay, they saw what we're doing. They're like, okay, this is wonderful. Can we just put some days on YouTube? So we decided to come on Tuesdays and Thursdays. Yeah, so thank you for joining me once again. And I hope you guys enjoy today's topic. And don't forget to smash the like button. We want YouTube to recommend this video for a lot of audience on YouTube. And you guys know that our mission this particular year is to grow our YouTube channel, and as you can see, our YouTube channel is growing day by day, and we hope between now and the end of this year, at least if we can boast of 10,000 subscribers. Yes, organic, you understand? So, and the journey starts from here, and that's just the way it is. So we always want to ensure that on daily basis we add value to different people, to those who know that yes, trading is not easy, and but being consistent and learning from your own experience, you become better at trading, and believe me, you make a lot of money. I won't tell you how much you will make, but you make a lot of money. So, and if you think you've lost money, I can tell you that you've not lost money. Okay, all the money you've lost are in what? Floating loss. Yeah, if you can have that kind of mindset, then you're cool. Okay, don't place any regrets. Just hold your ground, keep learning, and keep moving yourself out of loss gradually. Don't be in a rush. Don't do event trading, and I can assure you that you're good. This week has been very, very wonderful. If you may ask, this week has been wonderful, and guys, if this week has not been wonderful, I would really love to hear from you guys. Okay, but before that, don't forget to smash the like button. Guys, help me smash the like button, and if you've not subscribed to our YouTube channel, I will be so happy to see you that yes, you click on that subscribe button. I will be so happy to see that you click on the subscribe button and also smash the like button. Yeah, so that's it. Now, our today's topic, which says how to take profit. I've heard a lot of messages regarding this. Yes, that I was trading, I'm in profit, and eventually everything went all the way around. And you're not happy about that, are you? No, you're not happy. So how do you plan yourself out? You've already planned yourself in trading. You've seen that yes, the market will move from here to here, and eventually you found yourself in floating loss. And believe me, this is a lot of things that happens to those who trade signals. Not that you've not made profits, but you probably don't even know where to take the profit. You have made profit, but you don't even know when to take the profit. And at the end of the day, because you're waiting for the market to hit your take profit, you lost the trade. That is not a good news. I can tell you. That is not a good news. Now, if you can hear me, if you know that I'm audible to you, please just comment hi. Just comment hi put hi in the comment section. Put hi in the comment section. Thank you, guys. If you know that you can hear me clearly, just put hi in the comment section. Okay. So I have to go into this chart and let us see how we can determine our take profit. It's very important, and a lot of people actually fall victim of this. A lot of people. Yeah, you guys know, even as it is, I'm still bearish on BTC. Yes, I'm still bearish on BTC, and I will tell you my stand. If you look at my screen, I have BTC chart on my screen. Okay, I'm still bearish. So if you go here, you can see that our prediction yesterday hit take profit. That was wonderful. So the next move, let's go to 4 hours time frame. So guys, pay attention to what we are doing today so that you understand that after your analysis, the next target is to know how to program your take profit. Yes, we had good prediction this week, okay? But now, let's see what's here. Looking at this, before I even put out a lot of things out there, guys, drop your location. So let's identify some of our members. Drop your location. If you're from Lagos, any part of the city in Nigeria that you have, drop your location, and any other part of the world, we'll be glad to hear from you. Drop your location. Yes, I can see Chinaza from Anambra. I can see Sharon Michael from Abuja. Yeah, thank you guys. JF Kennedy from UK. Oh, how are you, JF Kennedy? I can see Latif Ademilade from Ogun State. You're welcome, guys. Yeah, I can see Digital Peace from Dubai. Oh, wow, that's cool. We're happy to have you here. I can see, SY Osakpa London Lekki. Thank you very much for coming around. Thank you, guys. Who again? I can see Engineer Kolawole from Port Harcourt. Thanks for always joining us all the time. We are glad you always join us. Who do we have? Itodo Adams from Benue. How are you, Itodo Adams? We also have Okoye Patient. Yes, guys, I'm really happy to have you guys on board. Yeah, mic check. Yes, you're welcome back. So who do we have in the house? We also have Chinyere from Anambra. Thank you very much for coming around. We also have Samuel from Niger State. Wow, thanks for joining us. We also have mic check. Moni Ade, how are you? From Lagos. You're welcome. We have Ebenezer from Umaya. Thank you very much for coming around. Young Riches, yes, from Lagos. Yeah, thank you guys. I really appreciate that you guys have already dropped your location all the way. Okay, so let's see how we can make today count for ourselves. Now, the topic for today, don't forget, is still how to take profits. When you've determined your move, okay, next thing you want to determine is two things. You want to determine your stop loss. You also want to determine your take profits. Okay, most of the time, you see, most of our take not specific. But most people always see take profit as being specific. Yes, they always see take profit as being specific, but take profit is not specific. Okay, it's not specific. Take profit is. So if you can see it that way, I can bet you that you're good. Take profit is what? It's a zone. That's why you see most people when they send signal, they will send you TP1, TP2, TP3. They will give you different options. It's now left to you to catch your fate. Anyone. Okay? Anyone you're good with. And you see your take profit also work in line with your margin. Yes, also work in line with your margin. And this is something that they are interwoven, and that you need to understand how it works. So I will also open my Bybit account to share more light on that. So guys, don't forget, use my link to register on Bybit so that you can get low transaction fee. Yes. So we also have Okpara Boxing from Ibadan, Oyo State. We also have, okay. Yeah, this piece is telling us his relocation. Yeah, is at the top of Burj Khalifa. Wow, you are really enjoying yourself. Okay, you will have invited us to come and join you, at least so that we can have some beautiful trading time together. Okay, yes, keep enjoying yourself. Keep enjoying yourself. Yeah, I believe being here is also very important. Thank you very much for telling us where you are currently. We also have Theophilus from Lagos, Nigeria. Thank you very much, guys. Okay, guys, whenever you are doing your analysis, don't forget your top-down analysis. I'm very sure that now you can see the comment section buzzing with a lot of profit. A lot of people are declaring profit every day. And if you're still not declaring your own profit, don't worry, I can assure you, keep attending this meeting and you're next. Okay, put yourself together. If you have to join the beginner's class, do that. If you have to join the master class, do that. And I can assure you that in no time your profit is coming your way. Okay, now don't forget, this particular segment on YouTube is sponsored by Bybit. And don't forget to smash the like button. Smash the like button. I really appreciate that. Smash the like button. Smash the like button. And also, if you've not subscribed, yeah, also subscribe to this channel. I really appreciate that. Okay, so moving on very fast. If you check my screen, I have BTC, and you can see after our prediction, we've made money. Yesterday, some people made over 200%, 300%, and more. And that is exactly what we want. We want people to be making money, because you won't be here just because you want to come and watch other people. I don't think that's what you want. You want to be here so that you can always declare that yes, you are a profitable trader. And I believe that being here alone has really made a lot of impact in you, and you want to continue to enjoy that impact. Yes. So having said that, you can see okay, let me get something clear. Let me get another BTC chart. Okay, because I want us to have a clean chart. Yes. Okay, so we can determine every other thing on our screen. Now, have you ever observed that most of the times before we take our trades, we don't look at the candles? Yes, we don't look at the candles, but after taking the trades, we now begin to monitor the candles, candles by candles. That's another thing a lot of people don't understand. See, in as much as you are able to observe your trade, when you engage a trade, you are watching candles by candles. As the candles are forming, is it going your way? You even want to come all the way to 1 minute. You want to come all the way to 5 minutes to check. But when you were doing your analysis, you did not check all those candles. Okay? Now there's something I started to practice. when it's also very good to train yourself on how to use what we call sniper entry. Yes, sniper entry. Now, sniper entry is like entering your trade around this. Okay, let me bring out my pencil. Hold on. Okay, so I have it. Okay, let's come back. Just like having to place your trade, your short position around here. So this place becomes your sniper entry. In short, immediately, I just woke up this morning and I saw that Bitcoin has actually gone up. I saw the chart clearly, but because I didn't prepare for it, I did not go in. I saw the short position. Yes, I saw it clearly, but I will show you guys. Most of the times, you always want to target the what called sniper entries. Yes, because it's very, very cool. Immediately you enter your short position, you're expecting the market should just obey you instantly without any problem. And that's very good. That's good. But sometimes, most times, it's not always like that. Most of the time, it's not always like that. Most of the times, you probably pull back. Okay, it will pull back, and later maybe it will go your way or not. That is another discussion. But most of the times, you always want to do what we call sniper entry. And I can tell you, if you can train yourself to target sniper entry, you will be good. Let me tell you one of the advantage. One of the advantage is you won't lose a lot of money. Yes, and if you have to make money, you will make a lot of money. Yeah, now let's have like an example. Okay, so let me have this. I hope we are together. Might check if you can hear me. Please keep dropping your high. Keep dropping your high. Drop your high. Drop your high. Let me know that yes, I am audible. Okay, drop your high button. Drop your high in the comment section. And don't also forget to smash the like button. Okay, smash the like button. Smash the like button. That will really help us to rank higher. Okay, smash the like button. Okay, so if we have this, let's say long position. Yes, so we're coming here. So you place your trade here. Now already this is, and make sure that your stop loss is very, very small. And when you hit your stop loss, just respect your stop loss. Okay, respect it. Respect your stop loss. Move out of the trade. You see, if you do that 2 times, maybe let's say your let me quickly do the calculation for you. Let's say we have 5 trades. 5 trades. Let's see. You have 5 trades. 5. Do you know, if you have a good strategy, you cannot lose all the 5 trades? I'm very, very sure. You can even carry out this experiment. If you have, yeah. Now, trade number 1. Your risk to reward ratio is 1:3. That's your risk to reward ratio. Keep dropping your high. Keep dropping your high. I'll be so glad about that. And don't forget to smash the like button. Smash the like button, guys. Smash the like button. 1:3. The first trade, you lost, let's say 1, 2, let's say 1:2, 1:5. Okay, What does that mean? Look at this. This is the third one. This is the fourth one. This is the fifth one. You always ensure that most of all your trades are -1. Or let's say this is 2:7. Can you see it? Maybe this is, let's say, 3 ratio, let's say 8 or 5:8. Even I don't think I can have this 5:8. I don't think so. This guy, I don't think so. Okay, that would be too much based on my own experience. I don't think I've ever done 5:8. Let's just say even 3. Let's say 1.5. Okay, now if you add up, if you have a strategy, at least even if 2 you're going to win 2 out of this trade. Let's now assume that you only won 2 trades, then the remaining 3 you have lost. Let's calculate it. So now it depends, right? Yeah, it depends. So let's say you lost the first one, so you already have -1%. Okay, you won the second one, which is what? +2. You won the second one, you lost the third one, you lost the fourth one as well. You now won the fifth one, that's +8. That's 10%. Now the other one that you lost is what? -1. That's number 1. Number 3, this is another plus another 1. Then number 4 plus another 2. Total we have here is 4%. Yes, so you lost 4%. You see, and you won 10%. Tell me this is not profitable. Do you understand? So you have to be thinking in this direction, so that when you're trading, you're prepared for losses. You're prepared. So by the time you minus 4 from 10, you have a total you have is 6%. You're in profit. Okay? And remember, total of 5 trades, you lost 3, you won just 2. Yes, just 2. Now let's now assume that you did not even use you didn't use what's it called? Let's see. As you're trading, what I've explained, make sure that this is a sniper entry. Immediately you get to your stop loss, just move out of the trade. Don't struggle. Okay, don't struggle. Don't, oh, I will wait, let me see if it's going to come out to my entry. No, don't do that. No time for that. Okay, when you hit your stop loss, move out. Take your time, wait. You can even wait. Sometimes you probably need to wait. So let us see how you can determine your take profit. This is very, very important. Now look at this. Look at this. This is on the higher time frame. Let's now assume that I want to take this trade. This is 4 hours. And before you make use of 4 hours, it simply means that you've checked your 1 week, you've checked your 1 day. Okay, you've done your analysis and you can see everything clearly. Now we have downtrend, pullback, downtrend. Okay, so if you look at it very well, you can just place your link here. Can you see that? Then if you put your horizontal line here, you will see that BTC is trying to obey this place. The neckline. Now look at this. Look at what's going to happen. on a normal trade, okay, this neckline, you have to respect this neckline very well. This neckline here, this arena, okay, immediately your trade goes above that neckline. It's not giving you wicks, it's showing the body of the candle that shows there's momentum, and immediately it closed above the neckline. That tells you there's an uptrend. Yes, it's an uptrend. So as we speak, from here, about 23,600, all the way here, uptrend, pullback, uptrend. Where is your take profit? Let us look at it. Now, ideally, look at it. Your first take profit will be here. See, can you see that? That is your first take profit. So, if this is it, look at it. This is uptrend. See what I'm telling you now. This is your first take profit. Okay? Then see your stop loss. Your stop loss is somewhere here. You see? 0.28. 0.28. That is your stop loss. Can you see that? Uptrend, pullback, uptrend. Now, if you are very lucky that after the next candle comes out, we just have a bullish trend. Boom! Good luck. Now look at this. The next take profit is here. The next take profit. Let me show you. Here. Can you see that? The next take profit is here. This place. And the last but not the least is here. Here. Take profit. Now, don't forget that the market might not even get all the way to the top. But this first one, I'm very sure about it. The first one, I'm very sure about it. Even the second one, I'm sure about it. The second one, I'm sure about it. That's here and here. Now, see the idea I always use. I know that if BTC is doing 0.5, Ethereum might be doing between 1% to 1.5. And you guys know that other coins, some coins are doing 7%. But the only thing is that you can't go more than maybe 20x leverage, 10x leverage, you understand? The leverage will be much more smaller. Now look at the correlation. With BTC, if you're using 100x, is almost the same thing with low leverage. Yes, it's the same, almost the same thing. If you do your calculation, because BTC will allow you to use about around 100x. If BTC allow you to go 100x, and some are telling that the minimum you can go is 10x. If you put in $10, what will be your profit? So if BTC hits 0.5, and equivalent of 0.5 is 50x in some coins. You see? And that equivalent of 50x, you need to hit around, let's say, 5%. But with BTC, you only need to hit 0.5. I hope you understand that. So that's the reason why I'm telling you that there's some coins, when you spot that they have a lot of higher percentage potential, okay, what you do is low leverage is good for them. But I will probably, we have to be practical here so that we talk less. So with this analysis that I've just shown you guys, okay, that tells you that what BTC is an uptrend, but that uptrend is not, I don't think it will last for long, because currently as I am, I'm very, very bearish on BTC, okay. But today BTC will probably, but I suspect that BTC might be rejecting this 24,555, this place. BTC will be rejecting that price, and if it rejects it 2 or 3 times on a 4-hour time frame, believe me, we are going down from here. So that tells you that what? The trade is going to be short trade. Okay? Now, since we have concluded that on the higher time frame, it's an uptrend, we need to go and confirm from the lower time frame. For those who are asking, oh, can we take the BTC trade? Let us confirm. Okay? So that by the time you're taking the trade, you need to confirm some candles for, just for double confirmation. Let's go on the 1 hour time frame. On the 1 hour, you probably see more candles, and on the 1 hour, it's looking good. Looking good, yes. Okay. I won't count this, so it's going to be uptrend, pullback, uptrend. Okay. See, this is first take profits. That's on the 4,555. That's your first take profit. Now, just in case it pulls back, what has it formed? It has formed double top. 1, 2, and from there we can have something like this: down, pull back, down. You see, everything has changed. So make sure that the structure of the chart is on your head. Okay, it's just like a map. You're going from Lagos to Abuja, and you don't know your way. At least you must have a map. You understand? So give yourself this kind of prediction. Okay, have the map ahead. And I'm going to show you guys one trade that I took yesterday night. Yeah, so here, that is scenario 1. The second scenario is uptrend, pullback, uptrend, pullback, uptrend. Can you see that? This is how it's going to play out. So this is scenario 2. Now, for you to know that this is really playing out, what does that mean? Some people, they will wait till BTC move to this place. That's when they will now come and take their trade. They won't take their trade now. They will leave BTC to play its game. Okay? When you get here, they can now what? Place this their entry. They want to be sure that yes, truly is an uptrend. Right? Now look at the other one that we talked about. From here, up, down, pull back, then down. This is another scenario. Remember? Yes, then we have another scenario here. Up, down, up. Okay? So these are the two things that will probably play out between now and weekend. These are the things that will play out. I can tell you. Okay? But in overall, I'm still bearish. Yeah. So maybe if we check, let's say, the 1 day time frame, we'll go on the higher time frame. We'll probably see more things. Yeah. So that's for BTC. Let's check the 15-minute time frame. You see if there's an entry. Yes. Now, guys, don't forget that if you want to enter BTC, it's your stop loss. This guy here is your stop loss. If BTC pull down all the way here, okay, BTC pull down all the way to this place, that simply means it has already turned to what? Downtrend. So we're going to have something like this: down, up, down. Okay, you can see that I've given about 3 scenarios, and that's exactly how it is. I've got 3 scenarios. So when you're trading, all these scenarios you must understand how this thing can play out. Yes, it can play out. Okay, if you have that map on your head, I can tell you that whenever it gets to your point of entry, you know what next to do. And as you are trading BTC, if by the time you get BTC analysis right, you can use this to trade other coins that you think will probably obey BTC or will follow BTC chart. Okay? Now the question is this: if you have a downtrend, pullback, where is your take profit? Your take profit is here. Your take profit 1. That is it. Okay, then if it furthers down, okay, your second take, let's check, your second take profit will be, okay, sometimes it might bounce from here. Okay, it might bounce from here, or it comes all the way down here, because that area is becoming a supply, a demand zone. Yes, if you go on, can you see that? That area is becoming a demand zone. That is this area of 1 hour time frame. This area is becoming a demand zone. Some people will use this to mark it out. Can you see? That down area is becoming what? A demand zone until it breaks out. Pull back down until it breaks out. That area becomes a demand zone. Okay? Yes. So that's just the way. So let's check some other coins. So yesterday I traded ANKR. Now look at this. This was very trickish. Okay, you can see it's looking very clear. Double bottom. This is the neckline. Can you see it? If you're not catching the pullback, then if you catch the pullback around here, forget it. Forget about the trade. Even if you enter to go up and eventually came down here, just close the trade. Okay, just close this small loss. Just close it. It's better. Okay. Yep. So after this pullback, uptrend, pullback, uptrend. That's it. So let's check on the 15-minute time frame. On the 15-minute time frame, see what is showing us. Yes, I traded this. Someone actually asked me yesterday. I told the person that if BTC, if this coin tests 0.04890, is going up. That was what I told him. If you test that price, and the same thing that happens. Okay, so let us trade this. I think I'm interested in trading the breakout. So here, so it's already bouncing on that trend line. It's already bouncing on that trend line. So let's see if that is sustainable. So that means if it breaks down here, down, up, down, it might not get to this place because of all this activity that are here. The activity is way too much. Okay, you can see all this place. They are very busy. So for this particular coin, I think it will probably come down, pull back. So that pullback, you can just take advantage of it. It's coming all the way down here. So number one, take profit. If it pulls back, now look at this. You can see the margin. Let's measure. Short. So let's say this is the pullback. See your take profit. Take profit. Can you see that? Take profit already is already reading from here to here. It's already giving us 4%. You see? Already giving us 4%. 4.5%. And that's a lot. Okay? So let's look at the exchange. If you have to trade this. If I come to derivatives. Yeah, this is the coin already. So the maximum leverage on this coin is 25x. So let's put it at 20x. 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 Okay? So 20x simply means if you use 20x at 1%, let me show you. Let's make it bigger. At 1%, what do we have? Yes, 1%. We're going to have on your ROE will be showing 20%. Yes. If you're on, this is okay, let me write it well. So 1%, your ROE, that's return on equity, will show you 20%. That's, you have made 20% of your margin. Guys, don't forget, 20% of your what? Margin. Okay, someone said my screen is blurry. I can't see the figure. Good morning, Mr. Harry from Italy. Oh, Madam Harriet, how are you? The screen is blurred. Okay, how do we solve that problem? The screen is blurred. Okay, hold on. Hold on. So what you need to do now is refresh your YouTube. Refresh your YouTube, then come back. Refresh your YouTube, then come back. Refresh your YouTube. It will be clear after you've done that. I just refreshed mine. So let's see. Refresh your YouTube, and it's looking very clear now. Okay. Okay. So if you can see my screen, please drop high before I continue. Just refresh your screen. Just refresh that page, or close the app and reopen the app again. Yes, do that. So let me confirm if it's still blurry. You said it's still blurry. Maybe it's the network. Maybe it's so I need to confirm if it's my network or your own network. So if it is still blurry, please let me have the information that my screen is still blurry. Mic check. Yeah, guys, don't forget, smash the like button. Smash the like button. If you've not subscribed, make sure you subscribe to this channel. We'll be glad you did. Okay, it's at 720 pixel. So it's still blur. Okay. Okay, maybe you need to watch my, what's it called? You need to watch my, maybe the playback. Okay, you are asked to set your screen resolution to 720 pixel and not 1080 pixel. Okay, so guys, if you know how to do that, please set your resolution to 720. Okay, so you have a smaller screen and to be much more clearer. Please, let's do that. Okay, so thank you very much. Let's continue. So here now, another thing is this strategy I'm using now, trend line strategy breakout. I don't like it on the lower time frame. It's not reliable. But on the higher time frame, which is 4 hours, it's very, very reliable. Very, very. Can you see? So for now, it's not really something I would like to do now. So I will need to change it. Okay? It's not reliable like that. This particular strategy is not. That's using ascending triangle. Remember? Ascending triangle. Okay, mic check. Can you guys hear me? Okay, so what I was explaining was at 20x, okay, just this 1% is 20%. ROE, that's your return on equity. Okay, so let's write it out. 1% equals 20%. 2% equals 40%. Can you see that? 3% equals 60%. 60%. Then 4% equals 80%. And looking at this from here, that's 0.05130 all the way down to 0.0489. That's 80%. That's a lot of money. So if you invest on your margin $100, you are going home with $80. That's what it means. Okay, so understand how much you can make. Okay, understand that, okay, this particular trade, this is the outcome, right? So that's it. Let's move to the next one. Let's see rows. Let's see rows. So guys, don't forget, drop your coins you want me to analyze for you. Drop your coins you want to analyze. Drop your coins you want to analyze. Okay, so though I like this rules, I like this the setup that is showing us. But let's look at it well. Okay, on the higher time frame, I can see downtrend, pullback, downtrend, pullback, downtrend. It's not really, I don't think this is reliable. I don't think it's not looking reliable like that. It can just change its direction. That's very risky. Okay, let's try Lido. For Lido, yeah, Lido is actually respecting my trend line on the 4-hour time frame, as you can see. Respecting my trend line to the upside. Can you see? We have 1, 2, 3. Okay. Yes, Lido is not doing bad. Okay. Lido is not doing bad. But I will really love to trade the break. So on the 4-hour time frame, I will put Lido on my 4 hours charts. My 4 hours tag. I have a tag, 4 hours tag. Okay. Let's see. No, we are not trading ANKR. No, we're not. If someone wants analysis on Shiba, so this is looking like a reversal. Yes. Oh, let me confirm. Though it's not looking clean. Double top, downtrend, pullback, downtrend, pullback, downtrend. So it's looking like a reversal here. Okay, looking like a reversal there. So now, let's see 1 hour time frame. 1 hour will speak more for this. So there's a reversal, downtrend, up, down, up. Okay. So for this, I think currently is pointing and entering to us around here. Yeah, that's it. If I have to trade this, my stop loss, my take profit, my stop loss will be very, very small. Minutes. Let's see. It has a lot of movement. So on the 15-minute time frame is not really reliable. So drop your. Okay. Let's try Shiba Inu. Let's check Shiba Inu. This chart is not clean, so I won't go for it. Okay, so here I think we have a double top, down, pull back, but the neckline is not really pronounced, so we really don't know where the volume will stop. That's the problem. I gave BTC uptrend. Okay, uptrend. So we have this. That's on BTC. Yeah, can you see top loss? Can you see it? It might take time, but that's where it's going. So on a short time, I think BTC will reverse around 24,555. So that stop loss is very, very realistic. So the uptrend is a very short, but on the overall, we are very, very bearish. So that's it. Let me remove this. From Lido, let's try this trend line breakout. That's a descending triangle. Yes, so if this works, that simply means this double bottom, up, down. Okay, so the entry will be here. No, not shorts, that should be long. So this is your take profit. Can you see that? That is your next take profit. So your stop loss is here. Don't take it for granted. Yeah, somewhere there. Your stop loss is around 1.1. So let's go to the. Yeah, can you see that? So this will be very, very good. The next one, EOS. Let's try EOS. EOS. Yeah, let's use this. Okay, let's go to the higher time frame. For EOS, yeah, it's putting a downtrend actually on the 4 hours time frame, and this is very strong, very, very strong. That's it. So this is even good to trade. So your stop loss is very, very small. So your first take profit, look at it, is here. That's 4%. 4%. That's your first take profit. If it now allows you to go all the way down here, that's the second take profit. Okay, so this is your entry. Make your stop loss very small, very, very small. So if it pulls back, just close the trade. So can you see this? Okay, so the idea is you don't want this coin to, or the candles to move anywhere above at all. Not close, okay? Not that candle can come here, but it must close above this yellow entry, okay? That's the idea. So it's a very good entry. So let's check the lower time frame. So EOS is looking good. So the prediction is short, is to go short, yes, and is rejecting well. Is representing well. EOS. Okay, it's looking okay. So on the 4 hour time frame, make sure that no coin, no candle close above. Don't allow any candle to close above. That's the rules. Yep. Okay. Whenever you see that it's closing above, just close the trade. Okay, that's it. So EOS, let me put it on the fitness blue. Remove all these guys. Lena. Let's see. So that's the entry. But we need this to break down the more. Okay, we need it to go down, pull back. So this is our entry. So that's for Lena. So for Lena, we have to add Lena to our 4 hours 4 hours tag. Okay, let's check AVAX. Okay. For AVAX, let me see. Okay, we have a double top here, but it has already broken to the upside, so we won't consider this. Let's remove it. If your setup is not clean, just leave it. You don't have to force anything. Let's check others. Other ones that are obeying. You can see it's, whoa, it has really obeyed, but it didn't come back to test. That's why I set an alarm. It didn't come back to test. It continued to drop. It didn't come back to test. Can you see it? We're waiting for this to test 0.249, but it didn't test it, so I have to remove this. So let's just revisit the analysis. Let's remove the alarm. Okay, maybe I'll do that later. But on the higher time frame, let's see what is it telling us. Let's see. So on the higher time frame, what is it telling us? So I think the best bet that we have on this particular coin is to trade the breakouts. Okay, you should trade the breakouts here. Okay, that would be the best for us to trade the breakouts. So let's remove it. So here we have Lena. Okay, waiting for Lena to break out of this trend line. We have Lido. for Lido, you can see that for Lido we have an ascending triangle, so we're expecting this to either break to the upside or come all the way down. Which one do we have again? We have Matic. Okay. Yeah, Matic. We're still expecting Matic to break out of this trend line. We have Leads. Okay. Has actually tests, but we didn't follow up. Leads has actually tested the yellow line. The yellow line is our entry. Can you see it? It has actually tested it, but we didn't follow up. Yes, can you see that? It has actually tested it multiple times after the breakout. Didn't monitor it. Let me see. Yeah, it had actually tested. Well, that was a midnight trade anyway. Okay. So let us remove this, but I think it's still going to test it again, but let's remove it. So let's see. Near protocol, what do we have? For near protocol, yeah, I think for near protocol, another opportunity to enter, another up to enter. See, not up to enter. Remember the other day when I said near protocol is coming all the way down, but the only problem we have with this is that it didn't test. We're expecting to test some levels. Okay. Here, I'm still bearish on this coin, but I think better we just leave it. Normally we also have made money from this. Okay, so the structure is really changing. Let's remove it. Let's come to Ocean. On Ocean, wow, Ocean has retests. Yeah, can you see that? We didn't do it. I guess we didn't do follow up on this, so it broke out, retests, and it's still valid. So for this Ocean, okay, if you want to enter, you can do dollar cost average since you didn't pick it from that yellow line. So go short position. Then you take profits around. So for Ocean, you can enter. So if it pulls back, you buy more, and it has a very small stop loss, very small, around 1.5, and that is very good. That makes a lot of sense. 1.5, that's the stop loss. So for Ocean, you can see already. So this is the first stop loss, and take profit. The second one, take profit, and goes all the way here, 16%, and all the way down. Well, you have to take this one first. Okay, yeah, this actually makes a lot of sense. Okay, so let's check the lower time frame and see if it still has potential to test 0.4602. Let's confirm. Well, I don't think so, but I think I don't think it will come back here to test. Okay, so Ocean is looking good. So let's put Ocean on the 15 minutes tag. Yeah, so that's it. So all these ones, you are still watching them on the 4 hours tag. We are waiting for them to get to that trend line. until they get there. Okay, SKL, let's check SKL. Let's check SKL. So for SKL, let's see. Okay, we have something like this. It's already broken out. Yes, SKL is also looking good. Yeah, it's looking good. All the way down. Let's check the 1 hour time frame. Okay, yes, yeah, this is 1 hour time frame and it's looking good. On the 15-minute time frame, yes, it's looking very good, very good. Yes, down all the way. So don't forget, you can also do dollar cost, because the reason for that is because of BTC can just, you know, end its ways anyhow it likes. So I think this also should go short. Just go short. Okay, so don't forget, if it, and this is it, it's very close. Topper is very close. Here, so the pullback is around 1% and is good. So the take profit is around 4.5% and 6.3% respectively. For SKL is a short position. Okay, it's a short position. Look, but you have to be very patient. Okay, don't be in a rush. It might, you know, behave differently, but it's coming down no matter what. So for SKL, let me see. Let me put it on the 4 hours tag. Is it 15 minutes tag? That's it. Okay, guys. Let's see APT. Someone said we should do APT. Let's check if it has any potential. Let's see, what do we have? Okay, support and resistance. So this is already at the demand zone. So for this to make a lot of sense, which I think is going to give us a double bottom. Okay, double bottom like this. Okay, and if it breaks this line, then know that it's going to be on a downtrend, so it's going to test here to the downside. So that's it. So that's for this. Okay, it's coming to give you double bottom. Okay, so if it breaks that double bottom, then you can just convert to shorts. You can convert to shorts, but that's this spot. Anyone you missed, you can always come back. It will always come back to that price to test. So don't be so. You still have to wait. Okay, let's check the lower time frame. The lower time frame, let's see what's going on here. Yeah, it's looking very strong to the upside, but I think it's going to be a downtrend. Okay, guys. Okay, CRV, DU. I've done DUSK. I've done that. CRV. Let's check CRV. Guys, don't forget to trade with it. So let's check CRV here. Okay, let's see. CRV has really gone down. Okay, so for CRV, let's do something like this. Let's use this strategy. Okay, so wait for breakout. So you're still waiting for breakout. Yeah, wait for breakout, and I think it's going to break out. You see that most of all the coins we are analyzing is still under most of them, they are on bearish. They are bearish movement. Okay, they are still giving us bearish movement. So that's it. Giving us bearish movement. Okay. So just wait. So this, we can put this on the orange tag. So if it breaks, if it gets to that level, if it breaks to the downside, then you can take the trade. Okay. Let's check BTC once again. For BTC, this is the 4-hour time frame. Let's check. Okay. Yes. You know, the other time I said if BTC breaks all the way down here, it gets to this place, then we will gas this as a downtrend. Then we will pull back, it will go down like that. So the BTC is already changing to bearish. So let's come here. Yeah, so look at this. Okay. So here. So you broke that place. Now, if you have entered BTC for long, hear me out. If you've entered BTC for long, wait. Okay, let it test 24,361. Then you can now close. And enter the short position. Okay, that's how you switch your position. Enter BTC for long position. Okay, but on the higher time frame, let's conclude. Higher time frame, uptrend, pullback. Okay, the downtrend, and I don't think is going to last long, but let's see how it plays out. But just wait, it's still coming back to test 24,360 if you have entered for long. Okay, if you've entered for long position, just wait, it will still test that price so that you can just close your trade. That's it. So which other one? IOST, let's check IOST. This guy is something else. Just wait for it to play out well. Just let it play out. Still on a very bearish movement. Let it play out. So he's responding to this pullback. Let it play out. It might probably show a double bottom like this. Okay, so just wait. So that's for IUST. Okay, so Mr. Samuel, tell me what's your entry. Okay, now guys, I hope you enjoyed this session. It's brought to you by bybit. Always trade with your bybit exchange. They are very reliable and they have very low trading fees. Okay, yeah, so that will be it for today. Thank you for showing up. Thank you for showing up. See you guys tomorrow. So don't forget, we have 3 major classes: beginners class, advanced class, and master class. Anyone you would like to join, we are always available. So message me on Telegram and I will give you details on how to join any of our classes. So thank you, and I will see you guys on the other side. Bye for now.